Hey family, haven't been here in a minute, but I am going to Canada soon. Literally on Sunday. Today is Friday. I'm gonna start packing. Hence the chaos in the background. I wanted it to just video some of the outfits, kind of like staples of what I can bring to Canada. I don't have much space in my luggage because one, I'm bringing a carry-on, and two, I'm bringing things for other people that I'm also trying to fit in a carry-on. So we'll see how that works. But I did want to style some pieces just to show you that like you don't have to bring a lot just to like make cute looks. So I have a couple of pieces in mind that I want to recreate different outfits for, so let's do that.
Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I need to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So confess, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you there.
Capping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water. Got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, knew I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family if you run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Fuck his ass out, and I'm telling what he saw. Real watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. Sitting there on the plane, going straight to Medellin. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a bank while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my Lou with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, Lou with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Fendi couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Bad bitch, if she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry Fago. False gold and we straight to the store shit. 2 small pins just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming straight. Bad bitch, if she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry Fago. False gold and we straight to the store shit. 2 small pins just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming straight. I'm with my niggas, yeah. We some rock stars, and I'm with my niggas, yeah. KK walk hard, this not my dick, little bitch, my Glock hard. Straight to the cash. I'm a shot star, straight to the bag. I'm the nigga, got me some cash. Rolling out some cash. Yeah, got me some. I ain't fussing yesterday. I'm a fuck sign. Bad bitch, if she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry Fago. False move and we straight to the store shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming straight. Bad bitch, if she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry Fago. False move and we straight to the store shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming straight.
Okay, so that was everything that I'm going to pack. Like I said, because I'm bringing things for other people, I have to pack really light. And so I'm bringing, I think I showed you 2 shirts, but I'm actually going to bring 1 more, and it's just like a black turtleneck to wear underneath the big chunky sweater. But I can also wear that by itself, which is like another outfit that I can recreate. And then the jean, 1 pair of jean, 1 pair of slacks, and the skirt. And I think it's pretty cold still over there in Canada. I'm going to Montreal, so I'm gonna bring 2 pair of leggings so I can wear underneath. That way I'm not cold. I'm just bringing that denim jacket, and I can obviously add that as an additional layer when I'm just wearing like a long sleeve. I can wear that with the jean or like that with the slacks. And then if it's really cold, I'm bringing 1 peacoat that's super long. And so yeah, I think when I go to the airport, I can do like a outfit of the day type vibe, so you guys can see. I'm planning on wearing the denim jeans just because I feel like that takes a lot of room in the luggage versus the slacks. That's easier to like fold up. And then I'm going to wear the chunky knit sweater, obviously not putting that in the suitcase because that's literally going to take up so much space. And what I was planning on doing was wearing my peacoat and then over that like tying the sweatshirt around my neck, or like just draping it over my shoulders. So that's one less thing I have to put in the suitcase. And so that would be cool. And then also I feel like it's good that I'm bringing stuff because I actually want to hit a thrift store or maybe a couple of them over there. So because when I get to Montreal, I'm going to be obviously not bringing back the things that I'm bringing for the people over there, if you get what I mean. Like other things that I'm bringing that are not for me, I'm not bringing back. So that gives me space in my luggage to bring things back for myself. So I'm going to do some shopping and I'll bring you guys along. I'm going to do a whole vlog of like what do I do in Canada. So if you're interested, then just come visit my channel when that happens.